tree. First trees start off as a little seedling on the floor, and they lay in the grass, wait to be watered on.
There we go.
You get it? And then, I'm sorry. Okay. All right. Okay. Wait. I'll do it. Wait a second. Okay.
Got it?
I got it.
Sure?
I'm sorry. It's
All right.
the kids.
Okay.
Megan right there.
Yeah, start over.
All right. Okay.
Was that the same?
No. Right. Okay. Lifestyle of a tree. Okay. And they start out as a seed, and then they
Photosynthesis.
they look at the sun.
Okay, no, stop.
What now?
Really?
Yes.
The real life cycle of a tree.
Well, what's real?
Don't look at the sun. They're not alive.
Well, they could have eyes. This could be fictional.
No, well, look, that's
Like
not
Joe
the objective.
Silverstein
Not
and the Giving
No,
Tree.
you need to stop. I will write you up.
5. Take 3. Alright.
I can see
Don't
you
look at me.
pushing
Stop
things
looking
out
at me. She's crazy. Okay. Alright. Okay. The lifestyle of a tree. First, they start out as seeds on the floor or pine cones. And they bask in the sun, and they're getting food and just other nutrients from the sun. They're just taking it all in. Just, chilling out.
Alright, are you a
Nice.
hippie? Are you a hippie? Like,
No.
really, do you?
Well, hippies usually talk about plants and animals, so why couldn't a seed be a hippie? You know? we can draw some cool glasses on it, put a headband with like a really small piece of string. We could do it. Trust me.
No,
We
no,
can do
we
it.
can't. No.
Kids are gonna love it. Who doesn't just love the earth? Who just doesn't want to lay down and just love the earth? Have you ever been a tree? I don't think years ago. Okay?